welcome back to Play With Us.
Hello, in this video I'll be playing with a toy from Angry Birds Go, Telepods, and it's the Pig Rock Racway, so let's check this toy out. Alright, so now that I got it put together, let's take a closer look at this racetrack right here. We're supposed to move this piece and it rocks back and forth while you're playing with the racetrack. And on this part, we do the same thing. It also rocks back and forth. And here's the finish line right there. So with us today, we got some minions watching the race. And with the playset, we get these two cars. And these are some additional ones that I have that we're going to be racing also. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and watch out for more videos from Play With Us.